Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we're just gonna have a little chill, a little catch up, and I'll show you what I bought recently, so let's begin. So I have been missing for a few weeks. Again, this is becoming just purely a glossy box channel. I just want to firstly apologise for being missing as usual, and just to give an explanation why. So my hours at work have been incredibly back to back. I've been working a lot of hours and people on holiday, I've had to cover them, blah, 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 really boring work stuff. And the other thing is, when I just started to get better and I was ready to start doing videos again, I did get quite a bad case of tonsillitis. I'm still on the back end of this. I currently cannot hit out of this ear. It is completely dead. Don't ask me why. And I feel a bit groggy still, but you know what? I'm getting there. I can't complain. So that's kind of where I've been. I have got some new purchases though. That's something we could definitely go over today in this video and talk about. It's just going to be a quick little 5-minute chill, little catch up with the girls so you can see what's going on in the world and just have a nice little time. So I don't know the prices because it's been so long since I've got the prices, so I don't know what the prices of my things are anymore, babe, do you know what I mean? So the prices will just pop up on screen. So for now, the first item I've got, babe, I bought this in Superdrug. This is CBD skincare, so like cannabis oil, like, you know, that essence, that's the word. And this is a facial spritz with natural CBD oil, replenishes, soothes and softens the skin. It's like 70p, I think. This was really good. I love this. It's just like a little like refresh, nothing too deep to it. It kind of dries pretty quickly. So yeah, it's just a cute little bottle of that. It's nice, it works. Will I buy it again? Yeah, maybe if I'm in there, but I ain't bothered about it. The next thing I bought is a new pair of lash curlers. This is by a brand called Lash. I got this in oh no I didn't, I got this in TK Maxx for $2.99, it says on the back here. I just wanted them because basically I bought like a new selection of tools and utensils from Morphe, and they're all black and silver, and it really bothers me that this is my only like grey tool, and it's really frustrating me. So I bought some new ones, so now I've done this video I can finally open these and use those. That's quite cute and exciting. I have 4 beauty products here in front of me, so we'll go over the makeup, and then I've got 2 items of clothing which I bought recently, which I think are really cute, so hopefully you enjoy those as well. The first product I bought is this Gloss Me Up by Collection. I wasn't looking for this, I just stumbled across it when I was in Superdrug, and oh, this has busted the house. And guess who's back in the house? Basically, this is like one of those squidgy application, like really loose like lip glosses. I see it all the time. People put it on their eyelids, sorry girl. I'm not a fan of that. I can just imagine that tacky like Cardi B, like all up on them lids and like getting, imagine that, it's like someone just like came in your eye. Like, that's the truth, innit? Do you know what I mean? If you're sat like twitching away, they're gonna think that you've had a quick one before you've gone out to work. Do you know what I mean? So this is quite cute. It's supposed to just gloss up the lips. We'll try it in a minute because I have actually got a few lipsticks to show you now, so we can try that in a second. The next products I bought was from TK Maxx also. This is a brand called Elizabeth Arden, based in New York. This is a lipstick and it is in the shade Glam Fuchsia, if anyone's interested. And I bought it, the packaging's busted the house, but I bought it because this is like cute. This feels super high end. Like, how cute is that? It's like this little like, what's this picture of, girl? It's like a door, or a bit like the TARDIS or something. And you open her up and it feels like Dior. Like, look at that, you got the cute silver and it's this gorgeous fuchsia colour. I haven't tried this yet. Should we try it now? So it's this really dark pink, like raspberry pink. Let's see what it's like on the lips. Ooh, girl, she fusion. Look at that. Oh Lord, she ain't here to play. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Look at that. It goes on real nice. It's got like a normal like lipstick smell to it. Applies really good. Feels super lightweight. I do actually have a lip gloss on underneath this anyway, so that's why it applied a bit stiff. The one I'm wearing underneath, if you did care to know before, is the Revolution, it's like plumping one in the shade Candy. And I topped up at the edges with the Revlon lip mousse, colour mousse, and this was in the shade, I don't know, that. Oh, Dusty Rose. So that's what I was wearing before, if you care. I know I don't. So that's the next thing I bought. The next thing I purchased after that is this. I've seen this all over TikTok and I really wanted to try it. So this is the LifterGloss by Maybelline. I bought some Superdrug as well. It's, well, quite frankly, it says on the tin, doesn't it? It's a gloss. So you open her up, it's this really, really chunky applicator, like whoa mama. I'm just actually going to dab a bit in the middle of this lip to see how it turns out. So it's kind of changed nothing. It has this amazing smell. Very like vanilla. It feels nice. It feels like high end. It's got like this kind of engraved text here, which is really cute, really nice. I did enjoy that. It applies really smooth and it feels really creamy actually. And it has given this really gorgeous shine. You see that? Not that I have much lip to look at. But can you see that shine? Loving that. I'm feeling like the Barbie vibe. So the next thing I bought is a mascara. And I've needed a new mascara for ages because I've been using this one recently. I don't really see much point in mascara. This is the Maybelline Great Lash, like a natural lash one. I don't really see the point in getting like really bougie mascaras. I've got a lot of mascaras from various brands and chunks and sizes and curls and whatever else. And I just don't really see the point in it. So I just wanted a nice bulk standard wand. And do you know where it's at, girls? It's in the Maybelline Sky High. This is all over TikTok. Apparently, it's incredibly overhyped, is what all of the famous TikToks and YouTubers are saying. And basically, it ain't worth your money, but I bought it anyway. So this is what it looks like. Nice wand. I ain't gonna try it because I ain't gonna wear it. I'm going to bed in about approximately 10 minutes. So yeah, just another thing I bought. It's cute, innit? Do you know what I mean? I think that's actually it. So that's it for the makeup. So the next thing I bought, got to stand up for this one, girls, is I bought this shirt. And what do you think? So this is the shirt I bought. It's got like this lion, like this tiger, this lion tiger vibe on it. Do you like it? I think it's cute. I'm going to wear it a bit looser in the summer. And I'm chilling with the mocktails with the girl. Have a strawberry daiquiri. What do you think? I like it. It's cute. I think this was like $12.99 from TK Maxx. Definitely from TK Maxx. It's really cute. Do you like it? I do too. So the next thing I bought is this bag here. Oh, girl. Is this one. So this is a diesel bag. Cute little bag, day-to-day bag. You can wear it on the shoulder if you want. Want a bit more sass? Or want to be a bit more sass? Like this. Ooh. What do you think? I think it's cute. So it says diesel, noise. I think I paid $6.99 for this. $5.99, $6.99. It's just like this like plasticky kind of like matte effect like tire material. Cute, innit? So that is what I bought, kids. Do you like it? Do you not? Don't really give a shit. So let's try this anyway. Let's try this Gloss Me Up collection. So this is my lips now, already glossy. Let's see if we can get them glossier. So I'm just gonna get a little squeeze of this. Oh yeah, you've seen that for it, me girls. I'm just gonna put a bit on my lips. Ooh, child, I can feel it. Wow, whoa. Okay, that is phenomenal. I actually love this product. This is actually essential. Look at that. Ooh, boys, will I? Love it. This is amazing. I think it's like $2.99. Smells minty. Makes my lip looks much bigger because Botox is on the cards, girls. So yeah, that's basically where I've been at. Basically, I've been working. Then I got really bad tonsillitis, and now I'm back. So yeah. So I plan, today is Thursday, I am planning on recording a TikTok on Sunday, and I would really love to do a makeup related video, whether it's trying a palette. I've just been paid, so I'm going to buy one. Let me know in the comments what you want. I can go and buy a palette and try it if you want it. I can show you how I do contour. I could, if you care, because you probably forgot, because all I do is glossy boxes. I'll be doing a glossy box at the back end of next week. I could do a vlog. Don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. So thank you so much for watching. It feels so good to be sat here just talking to you. Whoever the 50 viewers of this video are going to be, because it's only ever 50. It just feels nice. No pressure. We all understand that the world's a busy place. And we can just support. So thank you so much. Look after yourselves. Take care in these troublesome times and enjoy the lifted lockdown. Look after yourselves. Take care. Please like, subscribe and all that jazz. Ciao, ciao. Bella, I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.